a look at some updated features in Google Meet. In Gmail, you may have noticed that there are two new buttons at the top right of your screen. You can start a meeting or join a meeting. Start a meeting is great for beginning an ad hoc meeting that's not connected to any specific chat or calendar event. If I click Start Meeting, it will open my Google Meet in a new window, giving me a URL that I could share immediately. The preview screen that opens gives me an opportunity to adjust my camera or microphone. I could also start the meeting as the presenter. This option, join and use a phone for audio, can be helpful if you have a lot of different video communications tools in your daily workflow. For example, if you use Microsoft Teams and WebEx and Google Meet and GoToWebinar, your hardware, when I say hardware, I mean your computer or device, may have some trouble keeping up with the different audio and video options. You can choose to join and use a phone for audio to ensure that you always have a stable audio connection.
Looking to learn more? Visit us at onyxnet.com or email us at marketing@onyxnet.com.